Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna make blueberry muffins, and we're just using this Jiffy blueberry muffin mix. And I'm gonna have Kyle help me. And today we're gonna use the batter mixer and dispenser and the Measure All measuring cup. The cool thing about this Measure All measuring cup is that you can do liquid measuring on this side and dry measuring on this side. So obviously everything that's liquid is going to be measured in blue, and everything that's dry is going to be measured in red. So Kyle is going to go ahead and add the liquid ingredients first. So what we need to do, Kai, say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So we need, for muffins, for one package, you need a 1/4 cup of milk. So we actually need 2/4, so we need a 1/2 cup of milk. So on this side, we need to pour the milk up to the 1/2 cup mark. So we can all see where that is. So the 1/2 cup mark is right there. So pour your milk to that line there.
Okay. A little hard to do it.
Okay, you got this, you big. Okay, did you get to that line?
Yep.
Let's check it. That's perfect, great job. Okay, put that into your batter mixer and dispenser.
Alright.
Pour it in gentle. Great job. Okay, and then the next thing that we need is 1 egg for 1 box. So we're gonna use 2 eggs to do 2 boxes. So go ahead and crack your eggs and put it in there.
Alright.
And let's scoop this over so it's closer to you. Oh,
Yeah.
good job. Okay, you got it. Okay, and then here's your second egg. Good job, buddy. Okay, now let's open up our boxes of mix. Let's make sure we don't need anything else. So 1 package of blueberry mix, eggs, milk, preheat oven to 400, which we did, and bake at 1300. Perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Open that other one. I'll open this one.
Okay. It's hard to do with one hand.
I know it. That's okay. Okay. So when you're using the batter mixer and dispenser, you're going to put your liquid ingredients in first. And it does have a silicone ring at the bottom that helps keep everything contained so it doesn't leak out the bottom. And then instead of a traditional muffin tin, while Kyle's opening that, we're going to use our brownie pan. And this is for the big brownies. There's also a mini brownie pan, but I like these because it almost makes like little loaves. And they're perfect for individual people. And they give you enough bites that you don't feel like you need to have 20 of them in one go. So Kyle, go ahead and dump your mix into the liquid. You can just leave it in the box.
Okay.
That's perfect. Very good. Make sure you get it all in there, all that tasty goodness. Perfect. And then one thing to caution you guys that I've learned, but it still works, is if you're using a batter that has bits in it, like how this has the little mini brownie or the mini blueberries, if you're using a brownie mix that has chocolate chips in it, it does make it a little bit harder to dispense, but definitely not impossible. So just keep that in mind. Don't get frustrated with it. Just have some patience. So now we're going to add this, and this is exactly why I ordered this, you guys, is because Kyle loves to help me in the kitchen. And so, okay, twist that on really good and tight, Kai. Nope, from here.
Yeah.
Make sure it locks. There you go.
There we
Okay,
go.
it's locked. Okay, so I got this so Kyle could help in the kitchen because he absolutely loves to bake with me and cook with me. And this is something that's so easy for him to help with. So go ahead and show him how it works. I gotta push it down and kind of stir it on in there. And it's a little bit tough at first, but once it starts getting mixed up, then it definitely gets easier. You're doing a great job, baby. So see how he's doing the pushing and kind of twisting motion, and that little plunger just kind of mixes it all up in there. Gotta make sure you're getting way down. Don't be afraid to push a little bit harder down in there. So then that way it mixes in good, okay?
It's getting a little hard to do it.
Yeah. All those blueberries are getting stuck down in there, huh?
My arm's getting...
Your arm's getting a little tired? Okay, let Mama help. Let me try. Can you film while I do that and just keep it on there? There you go. Okay. So, kind of gonna get it mixed down in. There we go. Now we're getting all the way to the bottom. And just as you would normally mix something up, I mean, it's pretty common sense here. So you mix it until it feels like you got all the goods mixed together. So see, it's all pretty well mixed in. I mean, we got blueberries on top, blueberries on bottom. I like to do a little bit of a twist down at the bottom to get any dry bits kind of mixed in. Okay, so it's mixed up. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it, kind of turn it to the side here. And you can get all the little excess off the corners and the sides. Okay, that looks good. And then you put this plunger part, it's a whole solid piece on the bottom of this mixer part. So when you do that, that's what makes it so it's dispensable, and it pushes all the batter from the sides. You go in from an angle, and once you get on top of the batter, you lock her back in place. Oh, this part fell down. Why that did that, that's weird, but I just didn't have it locked in good.
We did that last time too.
Yeah, I don't know why it's just not locked in so good. Okay, easy enough. So now when this pushes down, it's going to dispense from the bottom here. So see, there's a hole at the bottom, and then you can set your setting to do a little bit of batter, medium, or a lot of batter. I'm gonna put it to a lot of batter since I'm making these big tins. And then you just squeeze it into whatever your desired pan is. And then I obviously pre-greased this. And you can use whatever you'd like. Pampered Chef does have a sprayer that you can use. I haven't used that just yet. I actually am still working on pan stuff that I had bought. It normally doesn't make that sound, but there was still some air in there from not pushing it, plunging it all the way down. So see, no waste, no muss, no fuss. It's all in there. We've got all of our brownie goods in there. And then if you do have a little bit, it's super easy to just release. Take it back out. And if you wanted to use a little spatula to get these last little tiny, I mean, look at how empty that is, you guys. If you want to get that last little tiny bits in there, you could always use a little spatula. So I'll do that real quick. Okay, so then we're just gonna scrape from the bottom. Just get our last little tiny bits with our little scraper. And get all that good blueberry goodness down in there. It's not very much, honestly. It's completely empty. You're gonna do what you would get using a bowl. So there it is, it's in here. We've got some pretty decent sized muffins. We're gonna put them in the oven here. And there you have it, using Pampered Chef to make blueberry muffins. Thanks for your help, Kai.
Welcome.
If you have any questions, y'all feel free to ask, but that's the measure-all mixer I used and the batter mixer and dispenser. Have a great day, and thanks for using Pampered Chef.